Are you aware of how many porta potties you need for your Fort Worth construction site? OSHA mandates 1 porta potty per 20 workers. If shifts exceed 8 hours, add 20% more units. For mixed-gender crews, the ratio changes to 1 per 15 workers. Facilities must be within a 5-minute walk from work areas. Regular servicing and supplies are essential. Non-compliance can lead to fines and lower productivity. Fort Worth's heat requires frequent summer servicing. Extended projects may need more units. Calculating your needs is easy. For 45 workers, you need at least 3 units. EcoPod Restrooms can assist with compliance. Ensure compliance and worker safety. Contact EcoPod Restrooms today.